Akindele Dakins. So I'm going to take you on a topic right now. But before we start anything, please at the end of this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and comment. Okay, so today we are going to look at a very interesting topic on the statistics. We are going to look at this topic, range. You see this range, it is a very simple topic, and I believe at the end of this video, you'll be able to solve questions on that range. Now, what do we mean by range? The range of any given set of scores is the difference between the highest score and the lowest score. So from this definition, you can see the range of any given set of scores, that is, any given set of numbers you have. You just need to take the difference between the highest score and the lowest score. Once you can take the difference between the two, then you have what we call range. So we can say mathematically, range is equals to h minus l, where this h is the highest score, and this l is the lowest score. Okay? So whatever set of scores you are giving, you don't need to stress yourself when you are working on range. Just remember this formula, h minus l, the difference between the highest and the lowest score. So you just have the highest minus the lowest. Okay? So, range tells us the distance. Range tells us the distance between the largest score and the smallest score. It tells us the distance. Just like I'm standing here, another person is standing there. There is a distance between the two of us. So just like a number, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's assume I have this set of numbers, and I am to take the range, and to solve for the range of these numbers. So now, don't forget, you have the highest minus the lowest. And the highest figure here is what? 5, which is my h. And the lowest here is what? 1, which is my f. So 5, I'll say my range is highest minus lowest, which is 5 minus 1. And that gives me 4. So the distance between 1 and 5 is 4, and that is range. Range tells us the distance between the highest and the lowest. So the distance between 1 and 5 is just 4, and that is our range. Look at, let's assume this is 1. Now let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, and we have 4. So that means we are going to count 4 numbers and we get 5. So that is what range tells us about. It tells us the distance between the highest and the lowest. Are you with me? So in other words, it tells us how widely spread the scores are between the largest and the lowest. That is, it tells us, the difference, the distance of the numbers you have, how they are widely spread. Look at this one. You have 2, 3, 4, then you have 5. Okay? So now we are going to look at some examples. We are going to take some examples now so that you understand better. Yes, I'll take examples now. Example 1, please. Find the range of the following scores. 20. Please hold on. Examples. Find the range of the following scores. Find the range of the following scores. The following 38,
and 40.
and 40. So we have to find the range of these scores. We have 20, 28, 36, 38, and 40. Very simple. What do you need to do? You just look for the highest number and the lowest number. That is what you need to do. Now, which number here is the highest? Which of the numbers here is the highest? And which of the numbers here is the lowest? Now, if you look at it, we have 20, 28, 36, 38, and 40. Definitely 20 is the lowest. If you look at this number, we have 20 to be the lowest. And the highest here is not 20, no. 36, no. 38, no. We have 40, which is the highest. So we can say solution, we can say range. Always remember to write a formula. Highest score or highest number minus lowest score. Lowest score. So the highest score here is 40 minus the lowest score, which is 20. So 40 minus 20 is 20. So your range is 20. So the distance between 20 and 40 is 20. So that is it. That is the range. Now let's take another example. Example 2. Yes.
Find the range of the following scores.
Find the range of the following scores. Yes.
20.
Of the following scores, we have 20,
22.
22,
26.
26,
32.
32,
and 40.
and 40. Okay, this example 2 is somewhat similar to this example 1 because it starts with 20, something like this, and it ends with 40, you can see. So, from this we can pick, we just need to pick the lowest and the highest number. And the lowest number here is 20. Do you agree with me? Yes, I know you agree. So, we have 22. 20 is not the lowest. It's not the highest, sorry. 26 is not the highest. 32 is not the highest. The highest figure here is 40. So, definitely, we can say solution, our range is highest minus lowest. Permit me, I'm not able to write this. Highest score minus lowest score. So you should know that this 8 is the highest score minus lowest score. So we have 40 to be our highest minus the lowest is 20. So 40 minus 20 is 20. So that is the range. So if you're given any question to find the range, it is very simple. Just take the highest minus the lowest. Yes? Let's take another question. Let's take another question. Example 3. Example 3, please.
There are 50 employees.
There are 50 employees
In each of the two companies.
in each
Of the two companies.
of the two companies.
A and B.
Of the two companies.
A and B.
A and B.
The distribution of salaries in the two companies is as follows.
The distribution of what?
Salaries in the two companies are as
Of
follows.
salaries in
The two companies
the two companies
are as follows.
are as follows. Yes. So we have the table. Company A. Company A. Yes. We have the salary. And we have number of employees here. Number of employees.
So for the salary, we have 100.
For the salary, we have 100 here. How many workers?
25.
25. We have what again?
120.
120. We have
10
10.
workers. 150.
150.
And we also have 10.
We have 10.
180.
180.
And also have 5 workers.
And we have 5 workers. Now for company B. Company B, we have the table. We have this. We have the salary. And we have the number of employees. Yes.
for the number of employees, 40.
40.
The next one, 200.
200 naira.
The number of employees, 8.
8.
The next one, 250.
250.
Number of employees, 2.
2.
That's all.
That's it. Okay. Now, what was the question? The question says we should do what? What did the question say we should do?
There are 50 employees in each of the two companies A and B. The distribution of the salaries is as follows. In which of the two companies will you expect greater cooperation among the workers?
In which
Of the two companies
would
you expect greater cooperation among the workers?
greater cooperation
Among the workers.
among
The workers.
the workers? Now, look at the question. There are 50 employees in each of the two companies A and B. We have a company, just like I have a company. My company is company A. Another person has company B. And in my company, I have 50 employees. In his company, he has 50 employees too. So now, the salary varies. The amount I pay my workers is quite different from the amount he pays his workers. Look at my company. Our salary, I pay 25 workers 100 naira. I pay 10 workers 120 naira. I pay 10 workers 150 naira. And I pay 5 workers 180 naira. In each company, it pays 40 employees 100 naira, 8 employees 200 naira, and 2 employees 250 naira. Now, the question asks, in which of the two companies would you expect greater cooperation among the workers? Look at the company. Which of these two companies do you think there will be greater cooperation? Because the prices varies. So how do we calculate